The Life Haven Sanctuary joins the bandwagon in commemorating United Family International Church 10 years of fruitful and impactful influence in our society and the world at large. With affordable and competitive rates, the Life Haven Sanctuary is the official accommodation partner before, during, and after the celebration. In order to book or make an inquiry, please contact us on the following numbers: +263 771 700 33 or +263 771 700 99 or +263 773 020 285 or +263 774 195 572, or alternatively email us on reservations@lifehaven.co. You can also find us on our Facebook page, LifeHaven1, and on Instagram @LifeHavenCity. Happy 10th anniversary, United Family International Church.